It's gonna be a long day. I have to remove all of this before I can put in my new. This is what I got. I got this whole thing for free. I got it off a marketplace. The lady was bought a new condo. This was in it. She didn't want it. She offered it up for free. Somebody else snatched it. Then they couldn't come. Guess who could? Me. But I'm going to put that in this space, which means I have to remove my boxes, everything in all my drawers, all my littles, all my shelving, all this nonsense on the walls. It's going to fit here, but I have to remove everything. It's going to be a long day. Wish me luck. First cabinet cleared. Here's a little peek of all my goodies. Here's all the pewters I had up there. Here's some more of it.
Same. Now, with that being said, I wasn't ready to...
It's huge. It takes up half the room. I've got tape and labels. I'm obviously going to rearrange probably 1,000 more times before I'm done. But this is where I'm at so far. And I've got a couple eBay orders to get out on Monday. So I'm going to continue to work and organize. And oh, did I mention it has a second piece to it? Another desktop. I think it goes here, like as an L. So I'm going to figure this out. I'm going to make that work because I need as much space as I can in this room. I'm going to do it. Dream box for the win, baby. Woo!